son of a sailor, I went out on the sea for adventure, expanding the view of the captain and crew like a man just released from indenture. As a dreamer of dreams and a traveling man, I have chalked up many a mile, read dozens of books about heroes and crooks, and I've learned much from both of their styles. Son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor, son of a gun, load the last ton, one step ahead of the jailer. Now away in the near future, southeast of disorder, you can shake the hand of the mango man as he greets you at the border. And the lady, she trails from Trinidad, island of the spices, salt for your meat and cinnamon sweet, and the rum is for all your good mices. Haul the sheet in as we ride in the wind that our forefathers harnessed before us. Hear the bells ring as the tide ring sings, it's a good son of a gun of a chorus. Where it all ends I can't fathom, my friend. If I knew I might toss out my anchor. So I cruise along, always searching for songs, not a lawyer, a thief, or a banker, but a son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor. Seas in my vein, my tradition remains, I'm just glad I don't live in a trailer. Son of a son, son of a son, son of a son of a sailor. Seas in my veins, my tradition remains, I'm just glad I don't live in a trailer.